All right, we got chicken from Coyote Fresh with some broccoli salad. Can't get any better than that.
Unless Frugal cooked it.
Yum. Well, it's that time again. Gotta go get Sammy food. I am slowly but surely cleaning out my freezer. I think I brought 2 pork ribs frozen and a pork butt. So that's been a lot of my freezer. And some still had some of that ravioli left over, like a half a bag, and a half a bag of meatballs. So I'm working my way through that, and then I'm gonna stock up on Sammy food so I don't have to go buy food here in Quartzsite. I buy the frozen ground turkey at Walmart for $1.98 a pound, and here in Quartzsite at Coyote Fresh it's $4 something. I'll put on the how much it is, $4 something a pound. So it's a big difference here. And I thought I'd already beat through part of my meats out of the freezer, but to cook that pork, I put it in the crock pot, and gotta have sun to run my inverter, and we're gonna be having some sun soon. It's gonna get hot again. It's gonna be, I think next week or the end of this week, like 78 degrees in the afternoon, so it's gonna be hot again. But I need to go get her food and get it to, because it's frozen, so I have to wait till tomorrow to cook it so it thaws out. And I need to go mail something so antiquate it. But have to mail it, so though I gotta go to the post office, drop that off. I don't think I've ever been inside the post office here in Quartzsite because I know it's a nightmare, so I just have never done that. And I don't even know that I've ever mailed anything. But it's so much harder to get into Moon Mountain. It's probably worth it to go to the post office. But anyway, I'm not making a day of it. I'm making a quick trip. A quick trip into Quartzsite. All right, this is Wednesday, the day after my cook with me, and I am eating leftover taco soup. That's what I cooked for cook with me. Live was taco soup. So I have a little taco soup, some cheese, some sour cream, and some fresh jalapenos on there. Good morning. My hair. It is time to head back to Quartzsite. I am leaving Q, not Quartzsite, but Kushan, and headed to Walmart. Just got notification my Walmart order is ready for pickup. So that's where I'm headed. It's about a 20-minute drive, so I'll get there. And then I will need to put put some stuff up in the refrigerator to make the drive. Maybe it'll be a little cooler there. It is a little cooler there normally, but... Oh, Sammy, I need to put your life jacket on. Life jacket! There. So, today's travel day. Short travel day. Short. I like them short. Yeah. I don't need gas, diesel. So, fun day at the Walmart pickup. Well, I got the Walmart pickup orders picked up, so now I'm headed to get me a little snack before I get on the road. Some del taco. Yeah, I think I need a taco and some nachos. We'll see. I think it's Tuesday, so I think it's 3 snack tacos for $1.99. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Okay, I settled on the Taco Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday. Sauce. I don't get the real hot stuff. I like the taste of the mild. These are those little snack. Look at my mouth water. Snack tacos. So they're little bitty. Little bitty tacos. It'll be just enough. I got the most beautiful radishes the other day, my voice, when I was at Sprouts. So I'm going to cut those up and get them washed so I can start munching on them. I get them from Walmart anymore. They're not this big. They're not that pretty. Let me see. I'm wondering if these are even, if they're organic. They are organic. Cool. Yeah, look at that. It's a good looking radish. All these are good looking. I got me some carrots. These are organic. I got the. They've been in the refrigerator a little while, so I gotta get those all cleaned up. Got me some hummus to snack on with some veggies. Deborah's out there walking Finn. Sammy's just sitting here watching. Oh, what? Oh, goodness. Do you see him? Do you see him? What? It's not fair? It's not fair? Here they come. Here they come, Sammy. What? She says this isn't fair. Do you want to play with Finn? I think that's what you want to do, is play. Good morning. For breakfast this morning, we got at the cantaloupe at the farmer's market the other day. So we cut that up. We got a little bit of the hot chili habanero beef jerky. Gonna put a little tahini on my cantaloupe. Got some pistachios that I got the other day at Sprouts. Yeah, this is breakfast this morning. Good stuff. A little fruit, a little protein, some more protein. Y'all see the blimp? I'm gonna zoom in. Ah, it's been on its side. I am cooking some tacos tonight with this steakum sliced steaks. There's supposedly 8 in here. Let me show you. It says 100% all beef sliced steaks. And if you look at the ingredients somewhere, beef. That's it. That's all that's in here is beef. Doesn't look like beef, but that's what it is. And I cooked this last night, and we decided we have leftover taco shells. I have leftover refried beans. But why not just get rid of all this again? So I have just a little bit of the taco meat left, and I added spices and seasonings. And I forgot I had this from a long time ago, that disaster of an order. But I'm going to use that tonight with this. Just take these off, put them in your pan. Interesting, isn't it? It's just beef. This morning for breakfast, I'm using some of that leftover taco meat from the steakums and some eggs. Yeah, it's gonna be a breakfast burrito, just like that. So I'm working on a little project today, and I've already started it and almost completed it. So this is a little piece of carpet. It's kind of, the carpet's all gone on the other side. It's kind of nasty, so I won't show you that. But it goes in Deborah's step into her rig. And so I've already cut it out. And I need to, there's a piece, well, let me go show you. Alright, so I've got this new piece in. Got it all cut and got it installed. Now I'm going to do this piece. See how the carpets that go on from there, but I need one of them square screwdrivers to get this out, to be able to pull this piece out. And I'm just using these as a template. So I need to get one of those square screwdrivers. Alright, it's a done deal. That looks good, doesn't it?
It's very, very good.